Good morning. Hello and welcome to my dear viewers. Today I wish to discuss about a very beautiful topic, very beautiful round. If I tell the topic it would be to some extent it would be wrong. So very beautiful round. The round name is extempo. I don't know that how many of the people are having some concept about the particular term extempo. So let's have a discuss. I'm just discussing it with you elaborately about the extempo. What's called extempo? First of all, the thing whatever just we just going to learn. First of all, we need to have a kind of proper definitions. We need to know the what's that particular thing is. Am I right? So therefore, I'm just telling you vividly what is called extempo. Extempo means a performance without any kinds of preparation. That's called the extempo. I think it's clear to all. Let's take an example that a class is going on, a class is being conducted by the teacher. Sometimes the teacher called XYZ persons to come to the dais of the class, and suddenly a particular topic was given to that students, called students, and he would not be given any kinds of chance to think about the topic and would allow him to participate then and there. That's called extempore. So I think that it's been very clear to all of us about the topic of the extempore. So this topic I would wish to discuss it. And besides, you should also remember one special point that in the extempore round, you can very easily show your creativity. First few times of your participations of that round, you may feel some problem, but whenever you do it frequently, then you can able to overcome the problems and more well. And much more important thing is that you can enjoy the round. That's a very important of the topic of the term round of the extempo. Okay, in this extempo round, first I would like to give you a kind of burning examples about the one particular topic. I giving you example, you're supposed to think that my topic is the tension. So how can I able to expose some of the lines about the tension? Okay, let's start without any delay. I consume some times to give you some important information about that particular terms extempo. Now I'm starting abruptly. Okay, my extempo topic is the tension. Okay, right? So let's have a discussion. Viewers, you see that tension word apparently looking very short. Its existence in physically structure was very short, very little. It occupied a very little space, but it snatches a man's entire life. So tension is really very dangerous thing for everybody's life. So the tension work, the word tension, it's not uncommon to all of us. Nobody can deny in his life that he doesn't have the tension. Everybody has the tension for the different work. But the most important fact is that how to control the tension and how to deal with the tension. Tension is such a kind of thing, that whenever we are in a deep tension, then heard we heard from the different channels or from the different ideal people that you do meditations and you do this walks, you can able to easily overcome the tensions, and thousands of books and as like the fox umbrella, thousands of things are uh, discovered in the market to cope with the tension. But frankly, to make you tell you one impression that nothing can give you, nothing can give you the proper solutions to get rid of from the tension. You do meditation. Somebody we heard that somebody told that you practice meditations, you can rid of from the tension. But my query, simple query, is that how if we people are in completely absorbed in tension, how could we involve our mind? How can we involve our mind in the field of the meditation? To practice the meditation, there required a kind of little concentration. But we people completely paralyzed to involve or to ensure the concentration. So how can you tell me how could I able to practice the meditations in this midst of the tension? Frankly, make you tell, it's simply impossible. So, and besides one thing, I would wish to share with you also, tension. We people what generally wrong things whatever we do for the tension. People wait for the result, but we should remember one word: we don't have any kinds of control over the luck or the result. So what we have the control? We have the control over our work. So we should remember that if we people do the work or control the work from the very seriously before executing any kinds of work, if you think for a little, for a while, that would be good action or not, or which one would be the bad. So if we just detect that kinds of thing, I think that we don't have to suffer from the tension. Remember one equivocal, I will tell you one particular line that it's a very proverb and very intellectual line. He makes no friend who never have any enemy. He makes no friend who never have any enemies. See the very thematic line. If you do some of the wrong works, if you completely involved in the wrongdoings, you always record a kind of helping hand to make your support and to get rid of from to get cope with that kinds of situation. But have you ever thought, if you never be illegal, if you always be punctual and do the legal work, what are the obstructions, what are the difficulties that barriers will approach to you? You can easily able to subjugate, dominate all kinds of obstacle with a smiling face. That is expected. And most precious thing is that you will never be scared or afraid to cope with the situation. But if you yourself completely involved with your wrongdoing or the malicious work, that is a word that faces the mirror of the body. So, seeing your face, somebody would capture you. All people will capture you that you are wrong. And the people who are from the wrongdoing, so their face structure would be, impressions would be something different. So, my advice to you, control your work to avoid tension. We don't have the hand for we don't have the hand for controlling our luck and controlling our result. Don't wait for that. Result is nothing. That is the effect of your work. So first of all, we people do mistake. We people mistakenly do the mistaken work, wrong work, and wait for the tension. Think lots of. So we discuss lots of things about the tensions, but one advice is that, so how, if we people are involved with the tension, how could I able to get rid of? So answer is, there is answer to me. I think uh, we have to do such a kinds of thing that in which we have to involve in such a kinds of hobbies in which we people have the most concentration. Everybody has their different hobbies, and no, in this earth you never find such a kinds of people who doesn't have any kinds of hobby. Everybody has their own favorite hobby and try to be involved completely in that hobby to pass the time. Because only one thing, tension, whenever you will get completely involved, then you have nothing to do, only wait and to pass the time. But if you overthinking about how will I pass the time, what will happen, all the questions, all the queries, you are getting burdened by thinking, it will completely ruin you. Forget it. Whatever happened, let it be happen. But you don't have any kinds of hand over the result. You do control your work. So let the time be passed, do nothing, just be completely busy on your hobby. You choose such a kinds of hobby which will enable you to reach to your goal. So you choose it and you execute the hobby with your rapt concentrations, and slowly promise yourself that you should delete all the wrongdoings gradually, slowly. Think yourself, be honest, hard worker, dedicated, sympathetic, and forget the past. Whatever past wrongdoings were done, let it be past. Think for the present. Don't overthink for the future, and start the work from today. That slowly you forward a single steps after steps with your all positive approach. The moment when you started thinking for your tension, it would be, you can take it like an U-turn. You stop thinking over all the past, start your work right now. Go ahead for all positive approach, be honest, hard worker, and all the positive attitudes you keep in your mind, and be helpful, be sympathetic. Even if you do it, you see that your enemy will be also in your control. It's not that, don't be afraid to tackle with the problem. If you are in positive minded, I'm sure that all the possible problems you can tackle with a smiling face. Don't get afraid, don't get scared for the tension. If in your life, if you don't face the problem, you think that it's not a life. According to Swami Vivekananda, it is being told that in your life, if you don't have the problem in your life, you don't think that you are not walking in a right track. Let the problem become, but you make your entire entity, self entity, in such a kinds of robust in form that with all positive aspects, that will completely enable you to overcome all and to subjugate all the barriers, all the oddities with a smiling face. You will be rejuvenated. You will get vigorous power to cope with that. Thanks to all to have a discussions about the particular kinds of topic of avoid the tension. Thanks. And next time I will also come with some brilliant topic. You can give me your topic to that inbox. I'll think, and I'll give you the words. I will discuss each and every topic would be discussed. Thanks. Have a nice day.